Welcome to this complete Chania Greece guide. Nestled on the northwest coast of Crete, Chania, a city brimming with charm and history, invites you to delve into its rich tapestry of culture and beauty. With a history that dates back to the Neolithic era, every corner of this city whispers tales of the past. From the ancient Minoan civilization to the Byzantine era, from the Venetian rule to the Ottoman Empire, each has left an indelible mark on the city's architecture and lifestyle. Today, Chania seamlessly blends the old with the new, creating a vibrant cultural melting pot that's as inviting as the warm Mediterranean sun. Its cobblestone streets, Venetian mansions, Turkish baths and Byzantine walls tell stories of a time gone by, while its bustling markets, lively tavernas and pristine beaches beckon the modern traveler. So, buckle up as we take you through the top 10 things to do in this picturesque city. First on our list is the old Venetian Harbor. This gem is a testament to Chania's rich history, dating back to the 14th century, when it was built by the Venetians as a significant commercial port. Just imagine, those ancient stone walls have seen the world change, the rise and fall of empires, and still they stand, whispering tales of the past to the present. But don't let its age fool you. The old Venetian harbor is as lively as ever, bustling with a variety of cafes and restaurants that line its picturesque promenade. Here you can savor the local cuisine, sip on a cup of Greek coffee, or simply enjoy the vibrant atmosphere. The harbor is more than a place, it's an experience. Every corner, every stone, every wave hitting the dock sings a symphony of the old and the new, the history and the present. A stroll around the harbor will surely transport you back in time. Moving on, we have the iconic Chania Lighthouse. The lighthouse, a beacon of hope, a symbol of guidance, standing tall and proud at the entrance of the old Venetian harbor. It's strategically perched on the edge of a long breakwater, like a guard standing at the gates of an ancient city. This lighthouse isn't just a pretty face, though. It plays a significant role. For centuries, it has guided sailors through the night, its light piercing through the darkest of nights and the stormiest of seas. The views from here, simply breathtaking. Picture this, a panoramic vista of the azure Mediterranean, the charming cityscape, and the majestic mountains in the backdrop. Now imagine witnessing a glorious sunset from this vantage point. The sky ablaze with hues of orange and pink, the sun dipping into the sea, and the lighthouse standing in silhouette against this spectacle. It's a sight that stays with you, long after you've left. An emblematic monument, the Chania Lighthouse, is a sight to behold. Next up we have the Maritime Museum of Crete. Steeped in a rich heritage that spans thousands of years, this museum is a veritable shrine to the region's maritime history. It boasts an impressive array of exhibits that chronicle Crete's nautical past in vivid detail. As you wander through the museum, you'll be transported back in time, witnessing the evolution of seafaring from ancient times to the present day. From miniature replicas of Minoan ships to artifacts recovered from the seabed, every exhibit tells a unique story of courage, exploration, and innovation. You'll find displays dedicated to naval warfare, showcasing the strategic importance of Crete in various historical periods. The museum also pays tribute to the island's rich fishing traditions, with exhibits that capture the essence of life on the sea. So, whether you're a history enthusiast or simply curious to learn more about Crete's seafaring legacy, this museum is sure to fascinate and enlighten. A must-visit for history buffs, the Maritime Museum of Crete is a treasure trove of information. At number 4, we have the Archaeological Museum of Chania. A treasure trove of history, this museum is home to a vast collection of artifacts from Neolithic to Roman times, all excavated from various regions of Crete. Each object tells a story, revealing the rich tapestry that is Crete's past. From Minoan pottery to Roman mosaics, the museum offers a fascinating glimpse into the island's diverse cultural heritage. Imagine standing in front of a delicate gold bee pendant from the Minoan period, or a beautifully carved stone sarcophagus from the geometric period. These artifacts are not just relics of a bygone era, but a testament to the advanced craftsmanship and artistic prowess of their creators. The Archaeological Museum of Chania is more than just a building filled with ancient objects. It is a bridge that connects us to the past, helping us understand and appreciate the journey that has led to the present. A visit to the museum is like taking a walk through the pages of history. Halfway through our list, we have the mesmerizing Balos Lagoon. This natural wonder is a spectacle of breathtaking beauty, where the azure sea meets the sandy shore, creating a kaleidoscope of blue and white. The lagoon is a haven of tranquility, with crystal clear water that sparkles under the warm Grecian sun. The lagoon is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a thriving habitat for an array of unique flora and fauna. The surrounding landscape is dotted with rare species of plants, while the lagoon itself is home to an array of marine life. And let's not forget the sand. Oh, the sand. It's so fine and white it could pass for powdered sugar. But don't get any ideas. It's not sweet, it's salty. Just like the sea it borders, Balos Lagoon is more than just a place, it's an experience. A visit to Balos Lagoon is like stepping into a slice of paradise. Next on our list is the Samaria Gorge National Park. This breathtaking destination is a haven for nature enthusiasts and trekking aficionados alike. Picture yourself strolling through a dramatic, narrow gorge, the longest in Europe, mind you, with towering cliffs and a meandering river by your side. The park is a canvas of natural beauty, painted with a palette of vibrant flora and striking geological formations. The rich tapestry of colors and scents, from the fresh pine to the sweet thyme, is a sensory delight. Now, if you're a hiking enthusiast, the 16-kilometer trail that winds its way through the park is a dream come true. The path is well worn and marked, but don't mistake it for a leisurely walk. It's a challenging yet rewarding hike that promises stunning vistas at every turn. And let's not forget the diverse wildlife. From the elusive Crete goats to the majestic golden eagles, Samaria is a veritable Noah's Ark. An adventurer's delight. Samaria Gorge National Park is a must-visit. Moving on, we have the serene Agia Triada Monastery. Nestled in the heart of Chania, this architectural marvel is a testament to the rich history of the region. It's an experience like no other, walking down the hallowed halls echoing with the whispers of the past. The monastery's architecture is a fascinating blend of Eastern and Western influences, adorned with intricate designs that are simply breathtaking. At Agia Triada, the air is thick with tranquility, as if time itself has slowed down to a peaceful murmur. It's not just a treat for the eyes, but also a balm for the soul. The monastery's history traces back to the 17th century, serving as a silent witness to the changing tides of time. As you wander the monastery grounds, you can't help but feel a deep sense of reverence for the past. It's a place where you can leave the noise of the world behind and bask in the serenity of the moment. A place of tranquility and spirituality, Agia Triada Monastery is a must-visit. Next up, we have the beautiful Elafonissi Beach. With its unique pink sand that looks as if it's been kissed by a rose, Elafonissi Beach is a sight to behold. This blush hue comes from millions of crushed seashells, giving the beach a romantic and magical aura that's hard to find elsewhere. Now let's talk about the water. It's crystal clear and so inviting you might think it's beckoning you for a dip. It's the kind of water that makes you want to dive right in, forget about the world and just float. And the vibe? Oh, it's as relaxing as a lullaby. The gentle whisper of the waves, the soft rustling of the palm leaves and the warm sun on your skin. It's a symphony of tranquility that lulls you into a serene state of mind. Elafonissi Beach isn't just a place, it's an experience. A visit to Elafonissi Beach is like stepping into a postcard. At number 9, we have the Botanical Park and Gardens of Crete. This botanical paradise is a captivating blend of natural beauty and botanical diversity. With plants from all over the world, it's like taking a global tour without leaving the island. From the aromatic herbs of the Mediterranean to the exotic plants of the tropics, the variety is simply stunning. The park isn't just for plant enthusiasts, though. Meandering walking trails invite you to lose yourself in the verdant surroundings. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or just fancy a leisurely stroll, these paths offer a tranquil experience away from the hustle and bustle. Amid the lush greenery, you'll also discover a unique dining experience. A restaurant within the park serves up delicious dishes, many of which are prepared using ingredients grown right here in the gardens. It's a perfect way to round off your visit. A haven for nature lovers, the Botanical Park and Gardens of Crete is a must-visit. Last but not least, we have the stunning Seitan Limania Beach. This hidden gem tucked away on the Akrotiri Peninsula is a sight to behold. Its unique shape, reminiscent of a lightning bolt, has been carved by nature into the rugged Cretan landscape. The narrow strip of sand flanked by steep cliffs leads to the most crystal clear azure waters you could imagine. But it's not just the waters that are captivating. Lift your gaze and you'll be rewarded with panoramic views that stretch out as far as the eye can see. From the rugged cliff faces to the endless expanse of the Mediterranean Sea, it's a view that's worth every step of the journey. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or someone looking for their next adventure, Seitan Limania Beach is a must-visit. It's a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle, immerse yourself in nature, and simply let the world pass you by. With its breathtaking beauty, Seitan Limania Beach is a perfect end to our list. And there you have it, the top 10 things to do in Chania, Greece, from the historic charm of the old Venetian Harbor and the guiding light of Chania Lighthouse to the rich maritime history waiting to be discovered at the Maritime Museum of Crete. Let's not forget the archaeological wonders of the Archaeological Museum of Chania and the breathtaking natural beauty of Balos Lagoon. The adventurous among you will relish a trek through Samaria Gorge National Park, while those seeking tranquility will find solace at Agia Triada Monastery. For the sun worshippers, Elafonissi Beach offers golden sands and azure waters, and the Botanical Park and Gardens of Crete provide a lush retreat. Last but not least, the hidden gem that is Seitan Limania Beach, a slice of paradise tucked away from the world. Each destination a unique experience, each experience a unique story. So when are you planning your trip to this Greek paradise?